Okay, let's cut right to the chase. There is a secret drain on your cellular energy, and it explains everything. It's the real reason you're feeling that slump, that fatigue, that fog. And today, we're not just going to talk about it. We're going to show you exactly how to shut it down for good. You've tried everything, right? You've dialed in your sleep, you're eating clean, you've even experimented with all the supplements. But that deep down energy, the kind you used to have, it's just gone. It feels like you're fighting this invisible battle every single day and you're losing. Well, guess what? You are. And I'm not being metaphorical here. Right now, at a microscopic level, there is a literal thief, an enzyme that is actively wrecking your body's energy supply. This is the hidden enemy, the real reason you can't seem to shake that exhaustion. So let's put a name to this villain. It's called CD38. And here's the deal. As you get older, its activity goes through the roof, and it has one single destructive mission: to hunt down and completely destroy your NAD+, which is the critical molecule your cells desperately need for energy and for DNA repair. This is really the heart of the whole problem. You can pour all the fuel you want into your body, NMN, NR, any of those NAD+ boosters. But if CD38 is just running wild, it's like pouring the best fuel in the world into a gas tank that has a massive hole in it. The energy just leaks right out. It doesn't even get a chance to do its job. And you can see here the stakes could not be higher. On one side, you've got high NAD+. That means your cells are humming. You've got energy. Your DNA is being protected. Everything's running like it should. On the other side, low NAD+. And that means nagging fatigue, brain fog, and basically hitting fast forward on cellular aging. The number one priority has to be plugging that leak. And that brings us to the solution. Meet Apigenin. Now, this isn't just another random supplement. It's a targeted weapon. We have clinical data now that confirms this natural compound is a powerful inhibitor, a direct counterattack on that CD38 enzyme. You can really think of it as a personal bodyguard for your NAD+. So how does it actually work? Well, it's this beautifully simple three-step rescue mission. First, you've got CD38 on the attack, just chewing through your NAD+. Then step 2, Apigenin jumps in, binds directly to that CD38 enzyme and just shuts it down on the spot. And the result, your NAD+ is safe, it's no longer under attack, its levels are protected, and they can finally rebuild. You've just plugged the leak. But here's the thing, plugging the leak is really just the start. Apigenin also supports 3 other massive pillars of health. It basically acts like a dimmer switch for your brain, helping you get that deep, restorative sleep. It also goes after that chronic, low-grade inflammation that scientists are now calling inflammaging. And it even helps your body clear out those senescent zombie cells that hang around and damage healthy tissue. So this is the question everyone asks, right? Apigenin is found in stuff like chamomile, parsley, celery. So can't you just drink more tea or eat more vegetables? You know, based on the actual clinical research, the answer is a hard no. And it all boils down to one thing you just can't argue with: the dose. I mean, just look at this chart. 1 cup of the strongest chamomile tea you can find might give you, 3 milligrams of Apigenin? Maybe. The clinical studies that show these incredible effects on CD38, they're using doses of 250 milligrams, 500 milligrams, sometimes even higher. You'd have to drink a bathtub full of tea to get anywhere close. Diet alone is just not going to cut it. This quote from an ICU resident, I think it says it all. These are the people who see the final result of decades of cellular neglect. The real work, the work that actually stops you from ending up there, that happens right now. It's about being proactive and intelligent about your health, long before it becomes an emergency. But listen, you can't just run out and grab any bottle of Apigenin off the shelf and expect these results. This part is absolutely critical. A lot of low-grade supplements are just full of junk, endotoxins, heavy metals, and these impurities can actually cause an inflammatory response in your body, completely canceling out the benefits and maybe even making things worse. Purity is not a luxury, it's an absolute requirement. So, you get the science now. You know what the real problem is. The days of just guessing, of just hoping that some new diet or workout plan is going to fix everything, those days are over. It is time to take specific, deliberate action based on what the data is telling us. And this is exactly why there's really only one source that holds up to the clinical standard: do not age. And it really comes down to these 3 non-negotiable facts. Number 1, purity. It's verified at over 98% pure, so you're getting the active compound and nothing else. 2, stability. It's formulated to last, so it won't degrade on your shelf.
And 3, safety. It's certified to be free from all those nasty endotoxins that you find in cheaper products. It's really the only logical clinical-grade choice.
It is time to fire that energy thief. Your clinically proven protocol to take back full control of your cellular energy starts this second. Go to DONOTAGE.org.
When you get there, make sure you use the exclusive code BB10 at checkout. Look, this isn't really about just buying a supplement. This is about making a decision to stop gambling with your health. This is your moment to take command, to finally plug that leak in your cellular fuel tank for good, and to upgrade your entire system from the inside out. That's DoNotAge.org, and the code is BB10. Go do it now.